Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix NFC and contactless payments on Realme in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is make sure that the setting is on. For that, head over to your quick settings on your device and then head over to settings on your device, head over to the search bar and then search for NFC or contactless payments inside of your search bar. If you cannot get this setting inside of your search bar, it probably means that you do not have the setting on your device. However, if you do have it, then you can simply search for it over here and toggle it on. After that, you must head over to your quick settings and then toggle on NFC from here as well. Once NFC is turned on both sides, if it still does not work, what you'll have to do is long press on your power button on your device. Once you've long pressed on your power button, simply swipe up to restart your device. If the issue still persists, what you can try and do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, what you'll have to do is scroll all the way down and then hit about device. Once you're inside about device, scroll down one more time and then hit software update and update your device to the latest version. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.